Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find business info on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up here, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go up, you will click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here, then you come here to personal details, you will click, then it's going to take you to next window, and you just click here on payments, and you come to this window here, you will click here on ads payments, and it's going to take you to your ads payments window. We will go to waiting to show for us like this, and you just click here on business info, you will click here, and here you can add so we will go to waiting to here you can add your all your information here about your business, and it's going, you click here on save, and it's going to add with you. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.